Meaning of fade out.
Fade out.
Fade out.
Fade out.
Fade out. Fade out is a term commonly used in film and music production to describe the gradual reduction of volume or intensity of a sound or image until it disappears completely. This technique creates a smooth and subtle transition between scenes or musical sections and helps to convey a sense of closure or finality. The result is a gradual decrease in volume or brightness, often accompanied by a sense of distance or ambiguity as the sound or image gradually disappears into silence or darkness. Fade-outs can evoke a range of emotions, from sadness to peacefulness or even suspense, depending on the context and accompanying content.